Imagine a world made entirely of metal. Picture a place where the ground beneath your feet is not made of soil or rock, but of gleaming iron and nickel. Not just a little bit, but a solid core of iron and nickel, potentially worth more than the entire global economy. This isn't a mere fantasy or a scene from a science fiction novel. This isn't science fiction, but a celestial reality in our very own solar system. Among the countless asteroids that orbit the Sun, there exists one that stands out due to its unique composition and immense value. This is 16 Psyche, an asteroid so unique and valuable that it has captured the imagination of scientists and dreamers alike. Unlike other asteroids that are primarily composed of rock and ice, 16 Psyche is believed to be made almost entirely of metal. 16 Psyche resides in the asteroid belt, a vast ring of rocky debris orbiting the Sun between Mars and Jupiter. This region is home to millions of asteroids, each with its own story and composition. But unlike its rocky neighbors, Psyche is thought to be the exposed core of a protoplanet, a celestial body that never quite reached planetary status. This means that Psyche offers a rare glimpse into the building blocks of planet formation. This makes it a time capsule, offering us a glimpse into the very heart of our planet and the secrets of planetary formation. By studying Psyche, scientists hope to unlock the mysteries of how planets, including Earth, formed and evolved over billions of years. What makes 16 Psyche truly exceptional is its potential wealth. The sheer amount of iron and nickel in this celestial body is staggering. Estimates suggest that the metals contained within Psyche could be worth an astronomical sum, far exceeding the value of the entire global economy. The sheer amount of iron and nickel in this celestial body is staggering. If we could somehow transport this metal to Earth, its value would be immeasurable, potentially making everyone on the planet a billionaire many times over. If we could somehow transport this metal to Earth, its value would be immeasurable, potentially making everyone on the planet a billionaire many times over. This tantalizing prospect has sparked intense interest in asteroid mining and the possibility of unlocking the resources of space. This tantalizing prospect has sparked intense interest in asteroid mining and the possibility of unlocking the resources of space. Companies and space agencies are already exploring the feasibility of mining asteroids, with 16 Psyche being one of the prime targets. But beyond its monetary value, 16 Psyche represents a scientific goldmine. The data we could gather from this asteroid could provide unprecedented insights into the history and composition of our solar system. Studying this metallic world could revolutionize our understanding of planetary cores, the early solar system, and the very building blocks of our own planet. By sending missions to Psyche, we could learn more about the processes that shaped our world and others, offering a deeper understanding of the universe we inhabit. The story of 16 Psyche began in 1852, a time when the night sky was still a vast, largely uncharted territory for astronomers. It was during this period that Italian astronomer Annibale de Gasperi, using the modest telescopes of his era, spotted a faint point of light moving against the backdrop of stars. This discovery was no small feat, considering the limited technology available at the time. De Gasperi named this celestial object Psyche, after the Greek goddess of the soul. Little did he know, this small point of light would hold immense scientific significance centuries later, capturing the imagination of astronomers and scientists around the world. As technology advanced and telescopes became more powerful, astronomers began to suspect that Psyche was no ordinary asteroid. Its unique characteristics set it apart from the countless other objects in the asteroid belt. Unlike most asteroids, which reflect light faintly due to their rocky surfaces, Psyche shone brightly. This unusual brightness hinted at a surface rich in metal, sparking curiosity and further investigation. Subsequent observations and studies confirmed the presence of iron and nickel on Psyche's surface. These are the same elements that make up the core of our own planet, Earth, suggesting a fascinating connection between this distant asteroid and our home. Scientists now believe that 16 Psyche is the exposed core of a protoplanet. This protoplanet likely experienced violent collisions in the early solar system, which stripped away its outer layers, leaving behind the metallic core we observe today. This makes Psyche an incredibly unique opportunity for scientific study. By examining Psyche, scientists can gain insights into the composition and structure of a planetary core without the need to drill through kilometers of rock and mantle, as would be necessary on Earth. Despite these advancements, the exact composition of 16 Psyche remains a mystery. there is still much to learn about this intriguing object. While iron and nickel are the dominant elements, scientists speculate that other metals such as platinum, gold, and iridium may also be present. These rare and valuable metals add another layer of interest to Psyche's composition. The presence of these precious metals, combined with the sheer size of the asteroid, makes 16 Psyche a tempting target for future space mining endeavors. The potential for mining these metals could have significant economic implications, driving further interest and investment in space exploration. As we look to the future, missions are being planned to visit Psyche and unlock its secrets. These missions will not only enhance our understanding of this unique asteroid but also pave the way for future exploration and utilization of space resources. The discovery and study of 16 Psyche represent a significant step forward in our quest to understand the universe. It highlights the importance of continued exploration and the endless possibilities that lie beyond our planet. To unravel the mysteries of 16 Psyche, NASA is sending a spacecraft on an epic journey to this metallic world. The Psyche mission, named after its target asteroid, is scheduled to launch in 2023 and will be the first mission to explore a celestial body made primarily of metal. The Psyche spacecraft will embark on a 6-year journey to reach its distant destination. It will use solar electric propulsion, a highly efficient form of space travel that harnesses the energy of the sun to propel the spacecraft. Imagine a giant sail, not catching wind but sunlight, gently pushing the spacecraft towards its target. Upon arrival in 2029, the spacecraft will orbit 16 Psyche for 26 months, systematically mapping its surface and studying its composition, magnetic field, and gravity. The mission aims to answer fundamental questions about the formation of planets, the nature of planetary cores, and the early history of our solar system. The Psyche spacecraft will be equipped with a suite of sophisticated instruments to study 16 Psyche in detail. This mission is groundbreaking, as it will provide us with unprecedented insights into the building blocks of our solar system. By examining 16 Psyche, a unique asteroid believed to be the exposed core of an early planet, we can learn more about the history and composition of planetary interiors. These instruments act like our senses, but instead of sight, smell, and touch, they detect magnetism, gravity, and radiation, allowing us to see the asteroid in a way never before possible. They will help us understand the asteroid's physical properties and its environment, providing a comprehensive picture of this celestial body. One of the key instruments is the multispectral imager, which will capture high-resolution images of the asteroid's surface in different wavelengths of light. This advanced camera will allow scientists to observe the asteroid in unprecedented detail, revealing features that are invisible to the naked eye. This will help scientists determine the asteroid's composition and identify different minerals and metals present on its surface. By analyzing the data collected by the multispectral imager, researchers can map the distribution of these materials across the asteroid, providing clues about its formation and evolution. Imagine being able to see what the asteroid is made of just by looking at the colors it reflects. The multispectral imager will make this possible, transforming light into valuable scientific data. Another crucial instrument is the magnetometer, which will measure 16 Psyche's magnetic field. This instrument is essential for understanding the asteroid's magnetic properties and its history. This will provide valuable clues about the asteroid's internal structure and whether it once possessed a molten core, similar to Earth's. By studying the magnetic field, scientists can infer the presence of metallic elements and gain insights into the asteroid's thermal history. The magnetometer acts like a compass, but instead of pointing north, it detects the invisible magnetic field of the asteroid. This information is crucial for understanding the asteroid's past and its potential for containing valuable resources. The Psyche spacecraft will also carry a gamma-ray and neutron spectrometer. This sophisticated instrument will play a key role in analyzing the asteroid's surface composition. This instrument will detect the radiation emitted by the asteroid's surface, allowing scientists to determine the abundance of various elements, including those valuable metals that have sparked so much interest. By measuring the gamma rays and neutrons, researchers can identify the presence of elements like iron, nickel, and other metals. It's like taking an X-ray of the asteroid, but instead of bones, we are looking for precious metals. This technique will help scientists understand the distribution of these elements and their concentration, providing insights into the asteroid's formation and its potential for future resource utilization.